Hey, it's Dr. Troy. I'm here to talk to you about healing time and the mechanism of repair, especially after a motor vehicle collision, slip and fall, some sort of trauma. So a lot of people think, even though they may not have pain or the pain's gone, that the issues aren't there. So first of all, the first stage after an acute injury is called the inflammatory phase or the acute phase, and that usually lasts anywhere from 0 to 72 hours. What will happen, especially in a whiplash type of rear end collision or head on, side impact, T-bone collision, is the soft tissue in the neck or back will get overstressed and strained, the capillaries will get damaged, and they'll bleed for up to 72 hours. So classic presentation of that is I'll ask the patient, hey, were you sore 2 to 3 days after the accident? And the resounding answer is absolutely yes. And so typically these people are going to the emergency room, or they're trying to alleviate their symptoms on their own at home with medication, with heat, with ice. I always recommend icing within 72 hours after an acute accident. And then we move on to the proliferative stage. So now that the inflammatory state has calmed down, we have the proliferative phase. Just like if you cut your arm, it's going to bleed for 72 hours, and now you're going to start to form a scab or a scar. So in the soft tissue of the neck and spine, the muscles, ligaments, tendons, even the discs, they will start depositing scar tissue, and they will become weaker, you'll become more sensitive, you become less flexible. And this is why chiropractic care is so important during this stage, so that the tissues that are being laid down, the new tissue, the proliferative tissue, is functioning to its max while it's healing. And this phase usually takes between 6 to 12 weeks. And then after that, we have the remodeling phase. Kind of like when you wear braces on your teeth. You wear them for 6 to 12 to 18 to 24 months. And now we're starting to remodel everything to its proper lines of stress. And this could take anywhere from 12 weeks up to 18 months, depending on the severity of the injury or what it is. So these are the different phases of soft tissue repair. Very important to get adjusted, to get massage during this time. There's some specific rehab things we do in our office to help maximize the correction of the spine and the injuries so that you can fully recover from collisions. That's why we're here. This is Dr. Troy, the Vancouver chiropractor.